In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a license plate lens cover on a Dodge Ram pickup truck located in the rear bumper. So both mounting screws are a T15, that's a Torx. Once you get it mounted in there, just counterclockwise, spin that out. Set it aside, do the same to the top. Grab that cover and pull it out. Now you're going to take your new cover and angle it so the clear is going towards the plate. Mount that right in that spot. Take your mounting screws, poke them through. So I'm pretty much lining those holes up. Gonna get my T15. There we go. Alter back and forth. Don't tighten one. You want to get them both seated and started at the same time. Now you'll see that the kind of moved around. Move on to the next one. And then you're going to evenly tighten them in. It's only plastic on the other side, so you'll feel it when it tightens out. Leave it right there. Now we can go turn it on, see if it works. Each plate light lens cover are the same, so the same procedure is for the other side. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.